Hey art friends, welcome to today's how-to. Today we'll be learning how to draw Stitch as a reindeer. So first we're going to get started with our top of our head, and for the hair in the middle we're going to curve this line out and then back in. And then coming underneath we're just going to curve this line out and then over again. Leaving a gap coming over on the left hand side, we're going to curve this line around and then in for the side of the head. And then we're going to move over on the right, replicating that, curving this line around, and then back in on the bottom. To the left of this now, we're going to close off the top of the head, curving this line down. And then from that corner, we're just going to do the same thing as we move over on the right. Now on the bottom, we're going to draw in a curved line from left to right, bringing this all the way over and then up on the side. In the middle now for the nose, we're going to curve this line around and then down on the right. And then we're going to close this off on the bottom with a nice big curved line from left to right. For the mouth, we're going to curve this line up. And then in the middle, we're just going to curve this line back over towards the center. On the top in the middle now, we're just going to draw in a small arch line from left to right. And then moving up above that, making that even smaller. Now for the eye, we're going to move over on the right hand side, curving this line around and then out. And then we'll do the same thing as we move over on the left, curving this out again, ending that at roughly the same height. Now from here on the bottom, we're just going to curve this line over and then up on the side. Now coming over towards the corner, we're just going to draw in a circle for the pupil of the eye. And then we'll line this up at the same height on the left-hand side and replicate that. Now on the top, we're going to draw in another circle for the highlight of the eye. Now let's draw in the reindeer antlers up above. So on both sides, we're going to draw a diagonal line that comes out. We're going to move underneath that, drawing in another diagonal line that comes out. On the side now, we're going to curve this line around and then in. Moving in towards the middle, we're going to curve this line up and then back down. And then again, one more time, we're just going to curve this line around and then in towards the bottom. Now let's move behind and draw in our ears. So on the inside, we're going to curve this line up. As we move down on the right hand side, we're going to curve this line around and then in. And then on the top left, we're going to curve this line around and then back down. Now from here, we're going to draw in a diagonal line that comes in and then back out. We'll do the same on the top left. And then now from here on the left-hand side, we're just going to continue to curve this line in on the side. And then we'll do the same thing as we move over on the right as well. Now in the middle, we're going to curve this line around and then up on the top. And then again, we'll do that on the right-hand side as well. And then on the bottom, we're just going to curve this line out. Lastly, we're going to draw in the scarf underneath the face. So on the left-hand side, we're going to curve this line in. We'll do the same thing on the right. Let's close this off now with a curved line from left to right. On the left, we're going to curve this line out. Moving further in, let's replicate that. And now we're going to close this off on the top with a curved line. Stepping in again, we're going to curve this line across. And then from that point, we're just going to curve this line back up towards the top. Now we're going to curve this line in, and we're going to leave an even amount of space as we come across and replicate this pattern. Let's move down now, curving this line over. One more time on the bottom. moving up in the middle. And that is it. That's how you draw Stitch as a reindeer. You can pause the video and color it the way that I have done, or you can change your colors up if you'd like. If you enjoyed today's video, please hit that thumbs up button and subscribe to the channel, and also drop a comment below suggesting any more characters that you'd love to learn to draw next. Thanks so much for joining me on today's tutorial, and I will see you all on the next one.